Hello and welcome to another bite-sized training session with me, Simon from Computer World Training. In this session, we're going to be talking about Office 365, in particular the cloud computing aspect. Now, what we need to do first of all is go to our Office 365 account. Now, the idea of Office 365 is the ability for you to work using any internet-enabled device, whether it being a PC, a Mac, or your smartphone. So I'm going to be using a Windows 10 PC, which currently has Google Chrome installed. However, with Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, and Opera, all of these are available to work with Office 365. Now, to log into your Office 365 account, you can very simply open your browser, and in the address bar, you can type in www.office.com. So this will then take you to the login page, and what we want to do is in the top right corner, you can see we have sign in. And you would sign in with your normal work account and password, which you use on a regular basis to log into Windows. So I've just logged in with my account, and the first screen you can see is more like the dashboard of Office 365. The great thing about using Office 365 is it is irrelevant which machine, PC, or platform you are accessing it from. As you can see, we have various icons and options to be able to go into any part of our Office 365 account. For example, you can check your emails, you can go to your calendars, you can check your contacts. But the part we're going to be focusing on today is working with OneDrive. Now, OneDrive allows you to have your own personal online storage place for storing your various documents, spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations, and so forth onto there. So we're just going to take a quick look at that. If I click onto OneDrive, this will then load my particular storage area, where I've already got a few example spreadsheets and Word documents in place. So the idea of cloud computing is that you can upload it to one single area and then access it from any location on any internet-enabled device. Whether the machine has Microsoft Office installed does not matter, as we're about to find out. So I've already actually uploaded a few files onto the machine, but to show you how quickly and easy it is to upload to your OneDrive, then at the top of the screen we can go to Upload, and you can decide, as you can see, to upload either an entire folder worth of files or just an individual file. So I'm going to choose individual files. So here I've just browsed to a few exercises. So I'm going to upload one called the planets. So I've already located it, which is on my drive. And now I'm going to upload it to my OneDrive. So I'll double click. And there you see the planets has now been uploaded to my OneDrive. So I now have the ability, if I wish, to either go home or if I'm out on the road, I can now access my OneDrive and have the ability to view and download or even share that particular document. Now, if I happen to visit an internet cafe that doesn't have Microsoft Office installed on their machines, that's not a problem. As soon as it is uploaded to my OneDrive, if I wish to edit it in any way, I can take my mouse and left click on the name of the document, which will then open up a separate tab and open what's called Word Online. Now, this basically gives you the ability to create additions and amendments to that particular document called the planets. And this can be used on any browser. So this has now created what's called Word Online. And again, I haven't opened Microsoft Word directly. I'm using the web app specifically designed for creating amendments and additions to my document using a web browser. So in the top right corner, I have Edit Document. At the moment, I'm just in read-only and view mode. But if I choose Edit Document, I can either edit in Word, if I happen to have it installed on this machine, or edit in Word Online. So I'll choose Edit in Word Online. And in the browser, you can see I've got a cut-down version of Word, which allows me to make simple amendments. So obviously adding and changing any text. I can put in here, for example, a new planet. Or I can, if need be, go to add a table in Word, just as I would do normally. However, I'm using the web app instead. What is also unique about producing amendments within the web app is that I do not have to click Save at any point. Any amendments made, as you can see at the top here, automatically says Saved. We're automatically saving your changes, so I no longer have to worry about clicking Save when I'm in the web app. When I'm finished with my amendments and additions, I do not have to click File and Close. I can simply close the tab, which will then take me back to my screen, and you can see that any amendments made will have automatically been saved. So this is just an introduction and a snapshot of what you have the ability to do within your OneDrive and Office 365. For more information or for more courses on Office 365 and what we can do to offer to help you with the installation, migration and teaching of Office 365 to your employees and your staff, please visit us at www.computerworld.co.uk, or you can call our training sales line on 01454 338 309. Thank you.